25th of October, we've got our next AGM meeting. So if you're a partner of this church, you need to be at that meeting. So please make every effort to attend if you're able to. You should have also received an email with a pack for that evening. So if you haven't received it, let us know.
Wondering if I could change. 'Cause when you're hiding all alone, your heart can turn into a stone. And that's not the way I want to go.
Guys, Operation Christmas Child is happening here at Excel Church, where we get to fill up some shoe boxes for some kids to send around the world so they can hear the good news about Jesus. So we've got the boxes here, Dalu's holding it very well, and you can pick up one of these leaflets from the welcome desk. So come here after the service, pick up a box, pick up a leaflet, and it'll give you all the information you need to fill your shoebox for a child this Christmas.
There's no place I'd rather be. Your light is marvelous. Your light is marvelous. You have come to set us free. You are marvelous.
We are now recruiting for a new cleaner. So if that is you and you fit that bill, then why not get in touch with us? We're offering 12 to 14 hours per week where you can come and clean and upkeep this church and building. So if that's you, then you can have a look on our website to download the pack and get all the information and then apply. We'd love to have you part of the team.
So I walk out of the darkness and into the light. From fear of shame into the hope of life. Mercy called my name and made a way to fly out of the dark.
Haha! Oh, don't forget guys that this week it is Connect Groups. See what I did there? Yeah. So make sure you connect in with yours. And guys, that's all for Excel News. So have a great week.